This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, November 25th. I'm James Spann. A little rain around tonight, then we are in good shape for Thanksgiving and the upcoming weekend, although colder by Thanksgiving Day, and a big East Coast snow event tomorrow. Who gets the snow? Who gets the rain? Let's go in there and talk about it. We'll start with the Skycam shots this afternoon coming from the ABC 3340 Skycam network. That's from Birmingham. Mid-level clouds up at about 15 to 20,000 feet. That's our Fultondale Skycam. Looks like a row of alto cumulus clouds there. And that was a shot coming in from social media today, I believe up in the Tennessee Valley around Huntsville. Deep, deep blue sky, but clouds are increasing. Upper trough axis just west of the state. That'll be rotating through here tonight, providing a lot of upward motion and helping to bring that chance of light rain. It's been raining most of the day today down in southeast Alabama. That was the radar at 108. Rain was falling around Geneva, Dothan, Abbeville, and that rain is slowly expanding north. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s on our end of the state, Birmingham at 58. We'll see numbers about like that tomorrow. But Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, will be noticeably colder. Looks like we'll see highs in the upper 40s on Thursday afternoon. Around the nation, very cold air for the upper Midwest, the Great Lakes, headed east. And that's going to be teaming up with that storm advancing up the East Coast, setting up a snowstorm for some folks there. As always, it'll be a tough call for the rain-snow line. There's a look at the winter storm watches and warnings, extending from the mountains of North Carolina up into Maryland, Pennsylvania, New York, interior parts of New England. In terms of liquid for the next 5 days, that's the expected rain. In Alabama, not much. Again, we'll see a little bit tonight, but amounts pretty light and pretty spotty. Here's a look at the projected snow coming off the NAM, valid Thanksgiving morning, 7 o'clock Eastern Time. Heavier snows west of Interstate 95. To the east of Interstate 95, closer to the coast, mostly rain. And again, always a nightmare for these type systems, the exact position of that rain-snow line, because it is very close to many of the major cities. But whether it's rain or snow, airport delays are likely at Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City, and Boston, all the airports up in there. So as we've talked about this week, patience is the word you'll need tomorrow, the virtue on the busiest travel day of the year if you're headed up that way. All right, model fans. It's the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 12 noon at 500 millibars. Shortwave energy is overhead. We'll take a look at the evening projection coming off the HRRR. This is 6 o'clock this evening. It shows little patches of gray there around Birmingham and Tuscaloosa. That could be a little drizzle or maybe a touch of light rain. The big rain south of Interstate 85, east of Interstate 65 down in southeast Alabama. This is 12 midnight tonight. The rain really beginning to move out of the state. Looks like our window for rain really is going to be from about 6 o'clock until noon. And again, I just don't think it rains that much. Many spots not getting enough to measure. Now, this is tomorrow. Again, this is not what you want to see on the day before Thanksgiving. You got your nor'easter off the middle Atlantic coast. And at this point, you can see heavy snow for the interior parts of the Northeast with rain near the coast, as discussed. But around here, the day tomorrow should be dry with a high in the upper 50s, the sky becoming partly to mostly sunny. Thanksgiving Day, thickness values are coming down. The high dropping into the upper 40s. The sky will be sunny. Maybe a few snow flurries up in Tennessee, especially around Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, the Great Smokies. Probably not a big deal. And up there, they'll see highs only in the 30s. Friday, hey, Friday morning's going to be cold. How about upper 20s? And then Friday afternoon, the sky's sunny, the high in the mid-50s. And Saturday should be a wonderful day to kick off the weekend. The high at just over 60, partly sunny. We see no significant chance of rain. The weather looks great for the Iron Bowl in Tuscaloosa Saturday evening with temperatures in the 50s for that game. Sunday, cold front north of us. It's lost its southward push and really won't affect us. Sunday should be very mild. Upper 60s are likely. And the same thing Monday. The cold front stalls out north of the state, showers well to the north. Monday should be a partly sunny day with a high in the upper 60s. And this is Tuesday, a week from today, troughing in the west, ridging in the east. And again, we're very mild, dry with temperatures well up in the 60s on Tuesday afternoon. Still evidence the next chance of rain will be Thursday of next week. This is December 4th. The GFS looks pretty wet there. And this is the end of the forecast on December 11th. And again, that's not a cold look. Big old ridging over the upper Midwest and down below that. Temperature should be very nice, and the weather will be dry. Temperatures for the next 15 days. Showing really the coldest day could be on Thanksgiving with a high in the upper 40s. Then we get up in the upper 60s late this weekend and early next week. And then we cool back down with highs around 50 by the following weekend, December 6th and 7th. But no excessively cold air in sight across the board. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.